The Opmind 5-in-1 STEM RC Robot Kit offers a versatile building experience with 419 pieces that allow children to create multiple models, such as a warrior robot and a ninja. With its innovative app Smart Control, this kit provides an interactive experience where kids can maneuver their creations in multiple directions using a smartphone. The powerful motor system ensures that the robot models have strong performance, and its compatibility with other major building block brands enhances the toy's versatility. Constructed from high-quality ABS materials, this kit meets stringent safety standards and is certified to be non-toxic and odorless, making it safe for children. This STEM robot kit is an ideal gift for a variety of occasions, encouraging educational play for children between the ages of 6 and 12. The kit's inclusion of a high-capacity rechargeable battery means extended playtime without the hassle of constantly replacing batteries.